Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2S, and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications from this watch. You can uninstall applications from this watch in two ways. The first way is to do it directly from the watch, and the second way is to do it through the Connect IQ Store application on the phone, if your phone, or rather if your watch is paired with a phone. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it through the watch. So, let's open the menu on our watch by pressing and holding the menu button. After the menu opens, you can use the down button to scroll down and select the activities and apps. Once you select this option, press the GPS button to enter, and here scroll down through the list of activities and apps and find the app you want to uninstall. For example, let's say I want to uninstall this application, Color Memo. To do it, select the app, then press the GPS button, then scroll down, select the option called Delete from Device, then press the GPS button, then press the down button to select Continue, and press the GPS button to confirm. And the app should be removed. I think the watch froze, so let's wait a couple seconds. Okay, it seems to be stuck. Let's try to press the back button and try again. Continue. Weird. I can't confirm for some reason. Let's go back and see. Oh, the app is gone already. This was weird. So basically the app was removed, but the menu didn't go back to the activities and apps. So basically it was removed, but it got stuck. So if you're not sure, go back to the activities and apps. As you can see, the app is gone. Okay, so that's how you remove the apps directly from the watch. To remove them through the app, I'm gonna bring the phone here. Of course, the phone that is paired with your watch, and the Garmin Connect or Connect IQ Store application is installed on it. I'm gonna zoom out the screen, or camera rather, so you can see the whole screen. Okay, and now I'm gonna open the Connect IQ Store application on the phone. In the app, you should see IQ Store. Now tap on My Device, and here you have option called My Device Apps. Tap on it, and you have the list of applications installed on your watch. Find the app you want to uninstall, tap on it, and then tap on Uninstall button. Then tap on Uninstall to confirm, and the app will be removed from your watch. And that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.